Now we come to endocrine system. Now this endocrine means they secrete internally, right? So endo. Acha, the secretions are poured directly into the blood, ductless glands. Now it consists of several glands or glandular cells which bring about the overall function of coordination in the body. They almost all the glands they act in a coordinated manner. Kintu. Now they activate each other and they work as a system of organs, and so it is called an endocrine system. System is what? It is defined as a group of organs performing an overall common function. Now, what are the properties of hormones? Now, what do endocrine glands do? They secrete some chemicals which are called hormones. Now, what are the general properties of hormones? They are secreted from their source. Directly they are poured into the blood, I told you. Then they regulate the physiological processes by chemical means. And they act, they act only on target organs. Sara organs mein they won't act. And hormones produced in one species usually show similar influences in other species also. So they are produced in very small quantities, but biologically they are very, very active. Like adrenaline, even in a concentration of 1 part by 300,000 parts, maybe it starts getting activated. Chemically, they are peptides, which means proteins like insulin, যেগুলো water soluble, কিন্তু some are amines also, again water soluble, and some are kintu steroids hai, which are derived from the cholesterol, like testosterone se aaya, so they are steroids in nature kabhi. Their excess or deficiency leads to various serious consequences ho sakta hai. And they are not stored in the body, but they are excreted out from the system. So, what is a hormone? Itna sabko janne ke baad, it's a secretion from some glands of the body, endocrine glands of the body, which is poured directly into the blood. It's a definition of hormone, okay? And they act on the targeted organs or cells of the same individual, bringing about coordination between distant parts of the body से भी coordinate करता है. Now, what are the various endocrine glands? Adrenal, thyroid, pancreas, and pituitary. Others have been cut off. So, तुम लोग का तुम्हारा cut off. So, हम लोग यही mainly करेंगे. Now, what are adrenal glands? We'll do that. The adrenal glands होते ठीक kidney के ऊपर they are there. They act like caps, okay, over the nature. These are the adrenal glands. Just they are found over the kidney. Photo to just देखिए दे. These are the adrenal glands which are located just above the kidney, above each kidney. Adrenal glands are consists of two parts. What are they? Central medulla and the peripheral cortex. The central medulla, this is central medulla, and that is the cortex part, okay? So agent prepares the body to meet adrenaline key. Any emergency situation, तुम्हारा पीछे बाघ आ गया, so automatically we rush against it. We have to fight against any type of danger, any type of flight, to run away from something. Adrenaline is rushed in. Extra energy तभी आ जाता है, and strength is provided to the body by this adrenaline. Extra hormone is released into the blood at the time of this emotional stress or whatever it is, when excited or angry, or adrenaline, adrenal medulla secrete this, a lot of adrenaline. Now what are its function, I'll also tell. After that I'll go to some other. First হচ্ছে जैसे ही हम देखा, it increases the heartbeat of our body and it increases the blood supply to the muscles also, and more glucose is released into the blood by the liver also at that time. That is the adrenal medulla se adrenaline is given out. Then we have the adrenal cortex. It also gives out some hormones, especially cortisol is given out. Now cortical hormones or cortisones hoche, they regulate the mineral metabolisms like sodium and potassium ions ko control karte hain. And there is another type, glucocorticoids. What do they do? वो लोग naturally बात सुन के ही पता चल रहा है कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन और फैट मेटाबॉलिज्म को कंट्रोल करते हैं. Usually the cortical hormones blood glucose concentration को बढ़ाता है, फैट एंड प्रोटीन्स बढ़ाता है, salt and water balance भी बढ़ाता है, and they adapt the body also to stresses. There is another thing which I want to say. There are corticoids of sex also, sex corticoids. Certain hormones, cortical hormones, behave like sex hormones. They are both male as well as female hormones. They are found in both the sexes, and overgrowth of cortex in young children leads to a very premature sexual maturity आ जाता है. हाँ, अच्छा, we know that there is an, यदि adrenal cortex बहुत बढ़ जाता है ना, कभी कभी we see that कुछ male characters female में आ जाता है, जैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा bears आ जाता है बहुत सारा women में. That is the adrenal virilism बोला जाता है. And there is an overgrowth of this adrenal cortex in men. तब क्या हो जाएगा? Men will develop some breasts type का structures also, enlargement of breasts होता है. देखो, इस both का hypo and hyper secretions are very dangerous. Like hypo होने से we have Addison's disease. Symptoms which are loss of energy, skin में pigmentation हो जाना, loss of weight, nausea, hypoglycemia, sensitivity to cold and pain and all. Infections हो जाता है. And hyper होने से Cushing's syndromes होता है. Cushing's syndrome. Symptoms like obesity, hyperglycemia means high blood pressure, osteoporosis, weakness, salt and water retention.